Hello and welcome to Riomar Designs YouTube channel. My name is Ali Bikoski and I am the owner and designer of Riomar Designs, where we make organizers to help you find your things quickly when traveling and avoid needless worries. Today, I want to show you the So Handy pouch. This little pouch, I call it the So Handy because obviously it's very handy. It fits perfectly in my hand. But I created this pouch because I have this big tote that I love and I take it everywhere with me. However, this big tote has no pockets on the inside. And how inconvenient is that? Not only it has no pockets, but then you have to dig through to find your keys, your hair ties, your receipt, anything. You have to dig through the bottom of the purse. And we all know how much we love to do that, right? You have to take everything out to find that one thing that you're looking for. So I got tired of it and I created this pouch, the So Handy pouch. It is so stylish. You see how it shines? It's so pretty. It has a waterproof material, and as you can see, it has a waterproof material on the outside and on the inside. And it has a magnetic snap, so it's easy to open and close as needed. If I spray a little bit of water, whew, see, slips right through. I don't know if you can see it. There's some water drops in there, and the inside is completely dry. So if you spill a drink on it, if you are out and about and it's raining or snowing and you drop it, you don't have to worry about your things getting damaged inside because it's waterproof. Now I'm going to show you different ways that you can use your So Handy pouch. I always was worried that when I was gonna get to a destination, I wasn't gonna have my mask, and I always wanted to have an extra mask with me. So I kept an extra mask in this pouch, and it fits perfectly. And I knew I was always gonna have a mask available when I go to the store and I have to store my receipts. I can just put my receipts here. I know they always have a place for them, and I don't have to worry about losing my receipts, not finding the receipt, or just having to pull everything out of my bag or my purse to find that receipt. Okay, so these are some of the few ways that you can use the So Handy pouch. As you can see, this little pouch will last for so many years because you will be able to use this for so many things. And not just for you, if you have family members that forget their things or need, that you think will need this pouch, this is it. This is a perfect little gift. The link is down in this video. Check it out. I have it currently in silver only, but I may bring it in other colors. But this is pretty much the most popular color. If you want to see it in other colors, let me know. Also, leave a comment in this video, and who knows, I may surprise you. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.